Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about application problems, so word problems basically. So the first thing that you were supposed to do is in Google Classroom, there's a question posted, right, like this. What are some strategies used when looking at application problems or word problems? So if you have not done this question already, please pause the video, go answer that question, then come back. Okay, so hopefully you actually paused the video and went back and answered that question in Google Classroom. Okay, some strategies used when looking at application problems. There's many different things here, and you need to find what works best for you. For some of you, it may be using a highlighter. I caution you when using a highlighter, make sure that you're not highlighting everything. Only highlight the key words. What tends to happen is that you get a highlighter out and then you end up just coloring with it everywhere instead of just highlighting the keywords. So highlighting is one of them. Rereading the problem, okay? Underlining your keywords. Knowing what words mean, add, subtract, multiply, divide. Knowing what a total is. So all of those little things are going to come up as we work through some of these problems. So what you need out right now is you need to have the note sheet or the worksheet labeled two-step equation word problems that was given to you in class. If you can't find it, it's also posted in Google Classroom, so you can go in there, open it up with Kami if you really want to, or print it out, whatever works. But you do need that worksheet in front of you. We are not going to be doing all of the problems together through this video. We are going to be starting with number 2. So not doing number 1, the example at the top. We're going to start at number 2. So if you look here, it says Jasmine Cell Phone Company charges her $35 a month for phone service, plus 50 cents for each text message. How many text messages does Jasmine send in a month if her bill was $52? Write an equation using T for the number of text messages. So what I did there was I went and just read the question once. Okay, now I want to go through and actually highlight my key information. So I have here charges $35 a month plus $50 per text message. Okay, and then I'm going to use a different color here. How many text messages does Jasmine send in a month if her bill was $52? Right, and the reason I'm using different colors will come up here in a minute. So looking at this, the first thing you really want to look for is a total. Okay, do I have a total? And usually if you think of an equation, a total is usually at the end. You usually have a whole bunch of stuff over here equaling a total. Well, it says here, how many text messages does Jasmine send in a month if her bill was $52? That is our total. So I'm going to put that right there. All right, now it says, how many text messages does Jasmine send? That's what we're trying to find. So we charge $35 a month, and then it's 50 cents for each text message. So one of these is going to be constantly changing, and the other one is going to be like a flat fee, a one-time fee. So you need to ask yourself which one of those is going to be a one-time fee. And that is our $35 a month. So I'm going to put here 35. Now it says here plus. Hopefully you realize that addition means plus. And then it's 50 cents for each text message. So what that tells me is that's going to be 0.50, and I need to put my variable here, and it says in the problem we're going to use t as our variable. Think about it. It's 50 cents for every text message. T is the number of text messages. So this is our equation that we have. We now need to go through and solve. You guys just had a quiz on solving two-step equations. This is just a two-step equation. So pause the video, see if you can solve it yourself. Okay, so hopefully you pause the video. Going through, we should get 17 divided by your 0.50. And we should get t equaling 34. Now, we are not quite done yet. We need to ask the question, 34 what? And we need to go back to what I have highlighted in green here. How many text messages? So this answer is going to be 34 text messages.